Oh, you got to make balance on Musa.
Brother Shaggy.
Hello, Shaggy. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, hit me.
What makes you a proud Nigerian?
Who does say I proud? Tell me that as I am like this, I am a gentle and I am a spread propaganda. Hey! How amount do I have? Because everything is a vanishing upon a vanishing.
You say?
Now Mastercraft tells you I dey proud, abi. Now still they still on my origin bitters. So I don't understand. I won't start for the shop again.
I mean, what makes you a patriotic citizen?
Patrioticity. No, patriotic. Me, I no be patriotic citizen. I be Nigerian citizen.
You say?
Wait, which country be patriotic?
Don't worry, sir. Because when you both say what? The old understanding of an individual is a calamity interview. Thank you.